Hey there, welcome back to another video if you're returning, and welcome if you're new. Today's video I'm sharing with you my undecorate from Halloween 2022. Halloween has officially passed and I'm ready to take down my decorations. I know that I just shared with you in my previous video decorating the house for Halloween, but the decorations have been up for a couple of weeks, so I'm ready just to reset the house and get everything back in order. So I'm starting off in my living room. I'm going to just take everything off my mantle, and then I'm going to move into my dining room where I have a lot of fall decorations still hanging around. I know that fall is not officially over, but I've had the decorations up since the end of August. So I'm just ready to have a clean slate, have a bit of a break between Halloween and fall, and just have a nice clean home before I head into the Christmas season, before I start decorating. So if you're like me who just wants to reset the house, undecorate, definitely keep on watching. Let me know down in the comments if you did anything this Halloween. Did you go to a party? Did you go around trick-or-treating with your kids? Bobby and I stayed home and we gave out candy to the kids, and there were so many more kids than expected. We usually get a good turnout, but this was a great turnout this year. It started to rain in the afternoon, so I didn't know if the turnout of kids was going to be that great, but it turned to be a lot of kids coming through trick-or-treating, and we had just enough candy to get by, but we were getting a little bit nervous around 8 o'clock, thinking that we were going to run out of candies, but we did have a little bit left over that Bobby and I can enjoy. As soon as Halloween is finished, it is definitely full swing Christmas afterwards, or even sometimes before Halloween even finishes. I'm not ready to decorate the house for Christmas just yet, but I did catch myself the other day listening to Christmas music. I just wanted to have one little sneak peek of a Christmas song, which led to many more, and it just got my wheels spinning of how I'm going to decorate the house for Christmas coming up this year. So it was a nice little cozy feeling, but I'm going to save the Christmas music and decor for a little bit later until the end of November or early December. I'm writing Halloween decor on my bin. Previously, when I shared cleaning out my cold room, I started to put labels onto the bins, but unfortunately they fell off. And for months, every time I went downstairs, I would always go through the bins, trying to figure out what was inside. So I thought the simplest way, just write on Halloween decor so there's no guesswork in looking for what I need inside the cold room in the future. So now that I have all the Halloween decor put away, fall decor away, now it's time to tackle and tidy up my living room as well as my kitchen. So the areas are not that dirty, they just need to be tidied up, wipe off some counters, vacuum the carpets, very light tidy. So I'm going in first with my Chom Chom, and I love this product. If you have any pets, definitely look into it. It's available on Amazon. It is one of the pieces that I use all the time on the couch over even vacuuming. It picks up pet hair perfectly, and I'll show you when I finish cleaning the couch as well as my ottoman how much fur it was collected in the Chom Chom. finished using the Chom Chom, you just open the back of the little device and then you can take out the fur. And you can see this is what I collected from the couch and ottoman. Not one of my worst days, but it definitely is effective and something that I use all the time, especially having the 2 dogs. Now I'm also using my handy pocket, which I purchased from the dollar store. This was something that I wasn't quite sure was going to be effective, but it worked quite well. It's microfiber, it's very handy, and you just stick your hand right into the pocket, so that's why it's probably called the handy pocket, and it's great for dusting, and it comes in a pack of 2, and I think I paid like $2 or $3 for this product, and it's been my go-to duster for the last few months now. I'm filling up my Homedics Ozone bottle, and if you're wondering what the heck that means, this is actually a little device and sprayer that turns regular tap water into ozone, which is an effective surface cleaner that kills bacteria and viruses. And I've had this product for over a year and I use it all the time, especially now that I have my new granite countertops. I don't want to use any chemicals on the countertops just in case there's any mistakes or any staining. So I've been using this in cleaning the counters, and it's supposed to be very effective with cleaning your surfaces, and it looks pretty cool when you turn the lights off, the color that it gives off when it's generating the ozone. So this is just a little peek of what it looks like, and when it turns blue, that means that the water is ready to go and you're ready to start cleaning your surfaces. And then I'm just pairing up the ozone spray with a microfiber cloth and cleaning off my surfaces. Here's what my stovetop currently looks like. I've been really slacking off cleaning it. It's probably been well over a week since I've cleaned this stovetop, and there's splatter, there's food, there's grease, there's grime, and it needs a good wipe down. So I'm going to give this well needed cleaning to the stovetop and getting it back into order. living room has been tidied up. It feels fresh. The decor is down from Halloween, and I'm just ready to have a bit of breathing space between Halloween, fall, and Christmas. So it always feels nice when the house is nice and clean, especially the kitchen. That's the largest room of the house. So when this room is clean, the whole house feels clean. Well, that's a wrap on Halloween 2022, and I'm so looking forward to December because I want to decorate and get ready for Christmas. So I'm already thinking about the next holiday, but it's just nice to have the house just clean, all the decor away, just to have a bit of break in between Halloween and Christmas. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you motivation, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.